Hello, English learner. Welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today, we're diving into something truly powerful. The topic is confidence changes everything. I know you're here because you want to speak English better. You understand the words, you can read and listen, but when it's time to open your mouth, something holds you back. That fear, that silence. It's okay. I've been there too, and so have millions of others. But let me tell you, confidence can change it all. It can turn your quiet thoughts into clear, strong words. It can make you feel alive when you speak. Let's talk about this together, step by step, in a calm and gentle way. You are not alone in this journey. Imagine this. You are in a room full of people. Someone asks you a simple question in English. Your heart starts beating fast. Your mind goes blank. You know the answer, but the words won't come out. Why? It's fear. Fear of making a mistake, fear of sounding silly, fear that others will judge you. This fear is like a heavy blanket covering your voice. It keeps you silent, but silence doesn't help you grow. Silence keeps you stuck. Today, I want you to feel understood. I see you. I know that fear. It's real, but it's not forever. Confidence is the light that pushes that fear away. And confidence comes from inside you. It's waiting to be woken up. Let's think about mindset first. Your mind is powerful. What you tell yourself matters. If you say, I can't speak English well, then you believe it. But if you say, I am learning and every day I get better, things start to change. Mindset is like the soil for a plant. Good soil helps it grow strong. Bad soil keeps it small. So start with kind words to yourself. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, I am brave. I can speak English. It feels strange at first, but soon it becomes true. Your mind listens to you. Feed it hope, not doubt. Confidence changes everything because it starts in your thoughts. Now silence. Oh, that tricky silence. It's comfortable, right? No risk, no mistake, but silence is like a cage. It keeps your voice locked inside. To break free, you need to speak. Even if it's just a whisper at first, start small. Say hello to yourself in English. Describe your day out loud. No one is listening yet, just you. This breaks the silence gently. And each time you do it, the cage gets weaker. Soon, you'll want to speak more. Silence loses its power when you choose to fill it with words. Remember, every great speaker started with breaking their own silence. You can too. Daily practice is key. Think of it like exercise for your mouth and mind. You don't run a marathon on day one. You start with a walk, same with English. Practice every day, even for 5 minutes. Read a sentence and repeat it. Listen to a song and sing along. Watch a simple video and pause to say what you see. Make it a habit. Habits build strength. Without daily practice, fear stays strong, but with it, confidence grows. Imagine your voice getting clearer each day. That's the magic of practice. It turns fear into familiarity. Confidence changes everything when you commit to showing up every day. Let's talk about mouth training. Your mouth needs to get used to English sounds. Some sounds are new, like TH or R. They feel awkward at first. That's normal. Train your mouth like an athlete trains muscles. Repeat words slowly. Say thank you 10 times. Feel your tongue move. Then say it faster. Repeat phrases like how are you or I like learning English. Repetition is your friend. It makes hard things easy. Don't rush. Be patient with yourself. Each repetition builds muscle memory. Soon words flow without thinking. Mouth training removes the stumble. It gives you smooth, confident speech. Repetition isn't boring, it's building. Think of a child learning to walk. They fall, get up, try again. Repetition makes them steady. Same with speaking. Repeat stories. Tell the same joke every day until it sounds perfect. Record yourself. Listen back. Smile at your progress. Repetition erases doubt. It shows you proof that you can do it. And when you see that proof, confidence blooms. You start to believe in your own voice. That's when everything changes. Fear fades and hope takes over. I want you to feel motivated right now. Picture yourself speaking English freely, laughing with friends, sharing ideas at work, traveling and asking directions without worry. That future is yours, but it starts with today. One small step, one word spoken out loud. You have the power. Don't let fear steal your voice. You deserve to be heard. Confidence is not for perfect people. It's for brave ones like you who try, and trying is winning. Let me share a little story. I once knew a student named Maria. She was just like you. She understood English but was too scared to speak. Her fear made her quiet in class, but she changed her mindset. She practiced daily. She trained her mouth with repetitions. Slowly, her silence broke. Now she speaks with joy, she even teaches others. Confidence changed her everything. It can change yours too, believe it. Fear of speaking comes from the unknown. What if I say it wrong? What if they laugh? But here's the truth, mistakes are teachers, everyone makes them, native speakers too. When you speak and make a mistake, you learn. No mistake means no growth, embrace them, laugh at them, they are steps to confidence. Silence avoids mistakes but also avoids success. Choose to speak, choose growth, your voice matters. Building confidence is like building a house. Mindset is the foundation, daily practice is the walls. Mouth training and repetition are the roof. Each part supports the other. Start with the foundation. Tell yourself positive things, then add practice. Speak a little more each day. Train your mouth, repeat until it's natural. The house gets stronger. Storms of fear come, but your house stands. You feel safe inside, ready to open the door and speak to the world. Feel that energy inside you, it's there. A spark waiting to become a fire. Let it grow. You are capable, you are strong. English is just a tool, your confidence makes it shine. Don't wait for perfect. Start now, speak now. The world needs your words. Hope is your ally. When fear whispers you can't, hope says you will. Hold on to hope. See yourself succeeding. Feel the joy of speaking freely. It's coming. With each practice, it's closer. You are on the path. Keep walking. Let's pause and breathe. Inhale calm, exhale fear. You are here learning, growing. That's brave. Pat yourself on the back. Small wins matter. Today you listened. Tomorrow you speak. Confidence builds one day at a time. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Famous speakers were once beginners. They faced fear too, but they practiced. They repeated. They built confidence. You are no different. Your journey is unique, but the destination is the same, freedom in speaking. I understand if today feels hard. Some days do. But don't stop. Gentle persistence wins. Be kind to yourself. Rest if needed, then continue. Your effort is seen. It's valued. You are making progress even if slow. Visualize success. Close your eyes, see yourself chatting in English. Hear your clear voice. Feel the pride. That vision pulls you forward. Make it real with action. Confidence changes relationships. When you speak, you connect. Friends understand you better, opportunities open, life expands. Silence keeps it small. Choose expansion. Choose confidence. Mouth training tip, start with tongue twisters, slowly. She sells seashells by the seashore. Repeat, it trains precision. Fun too, laugh when you mess up. Laughter lightens fear. Repetition builds rhythm, like music. Repeat sentences with feeling. I am confident. Say it strong, feel it. Rhythm makes speaking natural. Daily practice ideas, talk to your pet or a plant. No judgment, describe colors, name objects, simple, builds habit. Mindset shift, replace I must be perfect with I am improving. Perfection blocks, improvement flows. Silence breaker, sing English songs. Words come easier with melody, fun way to practice. Fear fades with familiarity. Speak often, it becomes normal. Confidence replaces fear. You are hopeful, I see it. Keep that light on, it guides you. Building confidence is emotional. Feel the warmth of progress. Celebrate small talks. Confidence changes everything. Work, friends, self, all better with your voice. Practice daily, speak out loud, repeat, train, mindset positive. You got this. Let's go deeper. Think about why fear holds you. Maybe past embarrassment, let it go. Past is past, now is new. Forgive yourself for silence, start fresh. Energetic yet calm, that's your speaking style, build it. Repetition example, good morning, how are you? Say 20 times, vary tone. Mouth training, mirror practice, watch lips move. Daily routine, 10 minutes speaking, grow to 20. Mindset affirmation, my voice is valuable. Silence to sound, whisper first, then normal. Hope grows with action. You are understood, motivated, hopeful. Stories inspire. Another student, Ahmed, feared speaking, practiced alone, now confident leader. You can be that. Confidence is muscle, train it. Changes everything, believe. Practice now, say I am ready. Feel it. Keep going. End with this, you are amazing. Confidence changes everything. Practice speaking daily, it gets easier. You will shine. If this helped, like and subscribe for more. See you next time, speak boldly.